This is the OKPRO solar streetlight. I don't know if it's OKPRO or OKPRO. I'm just going to say OKPRO. There is a 120 watt version and a 320 watt version of this light. What I will be showing in this video is the 120 watt version. I do want to thank OKPRO for sending this to me for free so I can do this review. Out of the box, it comes with a mounting bracket, it comes with the light, and it comes with the remote control and batteries. It does not come with a pole, so you'll either have to install it some other way like I did or already have your own pole. It's really pretty basic. There's just the solar panel on top of a bunch of LEDs. It doesn't seem excessively large, but it is also not super small. I just finished building a shed and I thought it would be nice if I could have some sort of light in front of the shed, especially a light that I don't have to power myself. So to install this on my shed, I cut a 2x4 so that I could install this on the front panel and have the extra strength of the 2x4. The mounting screws were long enough that this was not a problem. It actually worked out really well. Once I had the bracket installed, installing the light on the mount or pole was really super easy. I think it looks pretty nice in front of my shed and it lights up the whole area in front of that, which is going to eventually be a garden area. Right now it's just kind of a driveway and dirt, but it's perfect. When it's light outside, the light stays off. When it gets dark, the light comes on. The light can automatically dim after a while to save energy, and then it goes bright when it detects movement. This is really nice because it allows it to light the area throughout the entire night. Here's a clip of me at 6 in the morning, and you can see that the light is still working great. When I go up close to it, it gets bright. Keep in mind that it is winter here, so there is not as much daylight, but it's still lighting up throughout the entire night. The light has two modes that can either be used at the same time or used independently. It has just kind of a normal light mode with the white lights that you see here, and it also has an RGB mode, which is a mode that cycles through a bunch of different colors. I don't really understand the RGB mode all that well. I thought maybe it would be fun if I could keep it on a certain color, so maybe during Christmas I have it on green or red, or during another holiday I put it on a different color. But the only way this seems to work is that it will cycle through the colors. I don't know why anyone would want this, except for maybe if you're having a party outside, it could be fun. The light is also IP66 rated, which means that it is protected from dust, and it also is protected from high pressure jets of water. In other words, rain or snow, it will do fine, and I've experienced both here and it holds up really well. Overall, I think it's a great light for something just quick and easy to set up, and then you can forget about it and you'll have a permanent light there. Because it's solar powered, it really gives you a lot of flexibility with where you can install it. The last thing I want to mention, I've only had this light for a couple months, so it's really hard to say how long this is going to hold up and last. That being said, I've installed a similar light in another area of my house, and that was 3 years ago, and it's still holding up great. So I expect this to do at least the same, if not longer.